Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Shannon. I am a newly re-added consultant to Close to My Heart. I wanted to do a really simple video on basically an unboxing of our consultant kit. I've got my address blurred out here. But this is the box that the Close to My Heart consultant kit comes in. This is April of 2019, so this is what the box looks like now. I have not opened it. I am a former consultant, but it's been 2 years since I've been a consultant, so this is all new to me again. I'm relearning, and I just wanted to do the unboxing with you so that you can see what's inside and if you'd be interested in joining as well. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and try to pry open this box as pretty as possible and go step by step what I see and explain what's in the box. Okay. Get that better in the frame. Okay, so I'm going to go open it. And right now, I see a receipt, which I will keep for myself. Let's see if you can see inside there. Good. Okay. So, right now, there's a promotion in April. You get the Zoe paper kit, paper pack. This is CC4195. Zoe, it is a old pack that they brought back with new elements to it. This is a new sticker sheet that I know they didn't used to have years ago when I was a consultant, but this is the paper pack, and I'll link the paper pack below if you're interested in it. You can earn this free if you host a qualifying party in April of 2019 or if you join as a consultant in April 2019. So lots of funfetti stuffing. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Looks like we have notes from Jeanette, which is the founder of Close to My Heart. I won't go into too much detail. I don't want to spoil it completely for you. Our mission, our story, display me. Looks like it's some kind of displaying kit, and send me. So it's a nice little welcoming kit from Close to My Heart, kind of explaining everything, the message behind the company. Like I said, I don't want to show you too much because if you are interested in joining, I don't want to spoil that surprise for you. So, a welcome to our family letter. Congratulations, watch our new consultant kit video, redeem your Close to My Heart cash, which you do get cash when you sign up as a consultant to use on, to build up your products. So this is kind of a cool, nice letter. I'll have to read through that. Then it looks like we have an Everyday Life mini album here, the C4219. You can look that up on my website, and I'll have it linked as well below in the description. So it's a nice little mini album. Yay! So I got the new catalogs, which I'm really excited that I got the new catalogs and not the ones that are currently running. These are the ones that are going to be for May through August. So I'm really excited that I got the new ones that I didn't have to reorder. Wow. This is great. Sneak peek there. Yay, I'm glad I got the new catalogs in here. I was not expecting that, but that's a nice surprise. And it looks like there's several in there. Make It From Your Heart. Volume 4. This looks like this fits in the mini album they gave us, and looks like it might have instructions. 36 2-page scrapbook layout patterns and artwork inspiration at your fingertips. So it looks like it's guides to put together layouts and cards, which is great. Make It From the Heart. I think that's what they used to call their old books, now that I think about it, that I have, but it's nice that they provide these for the consultants. And then it looks like we have a mismatch bag of different supplies. You get the micro tip scissors, they're non-stick, which is great. One of the adhesive runners. This is the cardstock color wheel, so these are the swatches of the cardstock so that you can show people what the colors look like. I know you get a black ink, which is always good to have because you probably use that the most. We have a 2x2 stamp block, which is always good to have extra of these. Smile and Shine, Smile and Shine, Smile and Shine. So those are going to be, I think, consultant gifts, or not consultant gifts, but hostess gifts. You get 3 of them in the pack, so it's nice to give away as little hostess rewards in addition to what they would earn. A sampler paper pack of our pattern paper, May through August, so I won't open it because there's a lot of fun stuff in there that you're probably not supposed to see yet. And then this Let Me Show You How Business Builder stamp set, which is great. It's like you can create your thank you cards for your hostesses or anybody who orders. Hashtag close to my heart, so really cool. Really like that. That's really cool set. I really enjoy that. And then call me, email, web. Oh, that's awesome. It looks like we have more confetti. Aha. Looks like I got some new ones. And an older January through April seasonal expressions catalog. So that's what's kind of current right now. And unfortunately I can't ship any more of these out, so but I will give this one away because I do have a extra of this one. So order forms, these are always great for in-person parties. Looks like a business builder. You can order business supplies, shirts, cards, etc. Decals. I actually still have my close to my heart table runner, which is cool. Another catalog. Okay, cool. So I've got the new ones. Whoops. Let me put these over here. Another catalog. Woo! And it's like I also got some cardstock and some pattern paper. This is Mix In. And that's to get me started as far as layouts. So very cool. And then a big stamping pad for parties. These are great for when you need to stamp off onto your mat and then stamp back on for, you know, double stamping, etc. So very cool. And I believe that's it. I don't see anything else in here, so awesome. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a like, a thumbs up, and a subscribe, please. I would also appreciate it if you leave me a comment, if you'd like to be added to my newsletter, if you would like to join as a consultant and get this kit for yourself, please reach out to me also. I would love to have you on the team. Alright, I think that's it. Bye!